Hi friends, my name is Rahul. Welcome to Calyx Learning. In this video, you are going to learn how to password protect your Excel file. Two things to learn: assign password to modify Excel file, and second, assign password to open the Excel file. Before we go ahead, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Calyx Learning. So I have this file open here and we will assign first the password for modification of the Excel file. So go to File, Save As. In this window at the bottom you will see Tools option. Click on that, click to General, and the small window which will give options for password to open and password to modify. We'll click on password to modify and enter the password. Click OK, re-enter the password, click OK. Now save the file. Now we close the file and reopen it. So when I open this file, it will ask me for the password. But if the user does not have the password, the user can only read the file by clicking on read only. I close this file, reopen the file, enter the password. Now I will assign the password to open the Excel file. Go to File, Save As, Tools, General Options, enter the password in password to open, re-enter the password, save the file. Now we'll close this file, reopen the file to check the assigned password. First it is asking the password for opening the file. I'll enter the password. Second password is to modify or access the file. And here we have seen how to assign the password to modify the Excel file and how to assign the password for opening the Excel file. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.